New drug shows promise in slowing Alzheimer's before symptoms appear. Groundbreaking research suggests a new drug, Nu9, may halt the progression of Alzheimer's disease in its earliest stages, even before noticeable symptoms develop. The findings, published by a team at Northwestern University, offer a potential preventative approach to a disease that has historically been difficult to treat once it takes hold. The problem with current Alzheimer's treatments: Alzheimer's disease often progresses for decades before diagnosis, by which point the brain damage is extensive and irreversible. Most clinical trials targeting the disease have failed because they begin too late, attempting to reverse damage that has already solidified. This new research sidesteps that problem by focusing on prevention rather than cure. How Nu9 works: the drug, tested on mouse models of Alzheimer's, targets toxic amyloid beta oligomers, rogue protein clumps that accumulate in the brain and are believed to trigger inflammation and neuronal damage. Nu9 demonstrably reduces these oligomers, keeping critical brain support cells called astrocytes in a healthier, calmer state. This isn't just about clearing out existing plaque. It's about preventing the initial cascade of events that leads to neurodegeneration. The discovery of ACU193+. The study also revealed a previously unknown subtype of amyloid beta oligomer, dubbed ACU193+. Researchers found that this specific oligomer attaches itself to astrocytes early in the disease process, potentially triggering overactivity and harmful inflammation. By targeting ACU193+ and other oligomers, Nu9 could interrupt this cycle before it spirals out of control. Implications for early diagnosis. This research highlights the critical importance of early detection. Scientists are developing blood tests to identify biomarkers of Alzheimer's disease years before symptoms appear. If these diagnostics become reliable, Nu9 could be administered preventatively to high-risk individuals, much like cholesterol-lowering drugs are used to reduce the risk of heart disease. If someone has a biomarker signaling Alzheimer's disease, then they could start taking Nu9 before symptoms appear, says neurobiologist William Klein. Next steps and caveats. The team is now testing Nu9 on animals in later stages of Alzheimer's progression to see if it still shows efficacy. Human clinical trials are the ultimate goal, but will only begin after thorough animal testing. It's important to note that while amyloid beta is strongly implicated in Alzheimer's, it may not be the sole cause. The disease likely involves a complex interplay of genetic and environmental factors. However, this study represents a significant step forward in understanding the early stages of the disease and developing potential preventative measures. This research offers a glimmer of hope that Alzheimer's may one day be manageable, not as an incurable decline, but as a preventable condition.